blogging still exists. People think blogging is dead. Blogging is not dead. Look up any leader in your niche and see, don't they have a doggone blog? You can be told that blogging is dead if you want to, but I bet you any leader in all of these niches have a blog. But whoever saying blogging is dead, Google is the number one search engine on the internet. Google is. YouTube is number two. So Google owns YouTube. So they got the number one search engine on the internet, which is Google, which is blog traffic. And then YouTube being number two, which is our video search platform, and Google owns YouTube. They dominating the game. They dominating this whole game. Blog and video, they got that sold up. So anybody telling you blogging is dead, guess what? Blogging ain't dead. You don't have to write all the blogs. You can hire somebody to write your blogs for you. You want to learn a skill set or walk in your purpose. You know what I mean? You want to you're going to make an impact so you can make the income. How can you help people? If you want to help people, everybody don't want to do that because that's a lot of work. So, you got to figure out how you want to help people. You can help people from behind the scenes. Nobody got to know it's you. You can have your faceless channels. Ain't nobody got to know you own that channel. It's some channels out there that's real big. Don't nobody know who run the channel. Well, after people dig a little deeper, they will find out later on, but nobody has to know it's you up front. You don't have to have a channel the way I'm doing. You don't have to do that all the time if that's not what you want. You can have something that you just do this, or you just promote that, or you just promote this. And it's a lot of faceless channels out there making plenty of money. Then you can decide if you want to help people. You got to know how to help people. Everybody don't help people in the same areas. So you got to figure that out. But whatever it is, it just have to start out with, what do you want to do? And how can you turn what you're doing into an actual business? It's supposed to lead them to something that we actually doing, something that we have more control over. And if you have more control over it, then you'll last longer when these algorithms change all the time. You know what I mean? Things change all the time. When this stuff change, you want to be in position to be able to make it even when things are changing. You can do the keyword research. You can use all the tools. You can set up your website. You can set up your hosting. You can do all that type of stuff, whatever it is you want to do. But think on a business level so you can take it deeper, and then think 1 year, 6 months to 1 year, and stop thinking 1 month to 2 months. And I ain't made my $20 back. It's a scam. Don't think like that. Mindset. Let's do the mindset stuff first. Let's get our minds right.